Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel TechWaves. So today we are going to solve a problem in HackerRank, okay, and it's known as sorting comparator, okay. So if you see, the difficulty is medium, max score 35, okay, and let's see what's the problem. So the problem is, like, comparators are used to compare two objects, okay. In this channel you will create a comparator and use it to sort an array. The player class is provided in editor below. It has two fields, name and a score, okay. Given an array of n player objects, write a comparator that sorts them in order of decreasing score. If two or more players have the same score, sort those players alphabetically ascending by name. To do this, you must create a checker class that implements the comparator interface. Then write a compare method implementing the compare of method of comparator, okay. So it basically says that there is a class known as player. A player has a name and a score, okay. If two players, you have to sort the player class using comparator, and in terms of descending order. So if a player 1 has 100 score and player 2 has 50, so player 1, since he has 100, should come first and player 2 should come second. And what if two players are having the same score? Let's say both player 3 and 4 has 40, the score is 40. Then we have to sort the player alphabetically. So Abhilash will come first, Babu will come second, like that, okay. So looks simple to me. If you can see the sample input, right, it has Amy, David, Araldo, Akansha and Alexa. So if you see the output, since Alexa has 150 score, it comes first, and Amy and David has same score. So but the alphabetically Amy should come first, because if two players have same score, it should be sorted alphabetically. So Amy will come first, then David, then Akansha 75 score, then Heraldo 50, which is the lowest score, okay. So if you see, Java 8 I'm going to use. You can even choose Java 7, it's up to you guys. So let's see how can we implement this. First of all, we have to return int. So I am initializing a value, okay. And if comparator, if you know how it works, is if a comes, if we are comparing something and if a is before b, then it will return -1. If a is greater than b, it will return +1, and if a is equal to b, then it will return 0. So we have to use the same concept, but with a small twist, because we have to also compare the name if the score matches. So let's code now. So if a dot score is less than b dot score, okay, then what we have to do is value equal to okay, so if a is before b, it should return -1. That is for ascending, means 1 2 3 4 5. For descending 10 9 8, it should actually return the opposite. So instead of -1, we will assign 1, okay. So and else if a dot score is greater than b dot score, then we are going to assign value as -1, okay. And the last case is else if a dot score is equal to b dot score, then we have to, the value should be no. So now if both scores are equal, then we have to compare with the name. So what I'm doing is a dot name dot compare to, and this should be b dot name, okay. And then I'm gonna return the value here, okay. So what I'm saying is compare to is a default implementation. It means if you are comparing A to B, then it will sort by alphabetically. Okay, alphabetically A should come first, B should come second. Okay, so that's what I am doing here. So I am comparing both score and name. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, perfect. Let us submit. So many test cases. Yeah guys, all are passed. So this is how you solve this question. Okay, and I also got 35 points. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.